Hi there, and we're back to move of the week. Today I'm going to show you how I use my arms in the cha-cha routines in my dance fitness class. First I'm going to show you the move, my arms. Cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Alright, now how it's done. Extend your arms out, watch my palms. One palm down, one palm up. The arm that goes out, palm is down. The arm that goes in, palm will face up. And then you switch. You bring your arm in, you turn your palm up. You extend your arm up, you turn your palm down. And you switch. Really soft arms. Soft arms. Now watch my shoulders. None of this going on. Alright? Your shoulders turns in naturally. Because you're going up with your elbow. Soft arms. And let's do it. It's 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. And that's how it's done. Thank you.